National Science Day is celebrated on February 28 every year across India. But do you really know why do we celebrate this day? The National Science Day commemorates the invention of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Sir Raman on this same date had invented the Raman effect in the year 1928. For his contribution in the field of science, Sir Raman was awarded with the Nobel Prize in the Physics in the year 1930. So by celebrating this day as a National Science Day, we saw our dignity and respect to the famous Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a lecturer in physics and maths. He studied at St. Aloysius Anglo-Indian High School, Vishakhapatnam and Presidency College, Madras. In 1904, he obtained a BSc degree from the University of Madras, where he stood first and won the gold medal in physics. In 1907, he completed an MSc degree at the University of Madras with highest distinction. From 1907 to 1933, he worked in Kolkata at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, doing research on various topics in physics. On February 28, 1928, Raman laid an experiment with Indian physicist K.S. Krishnanan on the scattering of light, when he discovered what now is called the Raman effect. Raman effect explains the effect on the scattering of light when passing through different materials. After his retirement, Raman established the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore. Raman passed away on November 21, 1970. So, as a students, it is our responsibility to honor the great man and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through innovation. I wish all the science enthusiasts very best to enhance their scientific zeal. Thank you.